What's up guys, Cece here, and I'm back with another video for the channel. In today's video I'll be sharing two designs that I created while making some 3D letter signs for my customers. Let's get straight into the video. Our first letter sign was the letter D, and this customer was celebrating her 10th birthday. She wanted flowers pattern design using her favorite colors, which were purple and pink, so that's what we did here. The second design required sunflower petals, and these were pretty difficult to create, I'm not going to lie. What I did was, using the yellow poster board, I would cut out squares in different sizes. One would be 5 inches wide, the next would be 4 inches, and the next would be 3 inches. And that's what I did to make the petals. Then we went ahead and used orange and dark brown tissue paper for the inside. This is the final product. It turned out really well. I love this piece, and the customer definitely enjoyed this as well. We have some pictures coming up shortly. Stay tuned for that.